Class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. I am also taking care of myself as well. I am washing my hands, sanitize my hands, make use of mask properly. So class, this is your maths period and I am your maths teacher, Miss Faiza Tahir, and it's your lecture 8. As you already studied the concept of addition and subtraction in our previous lecture, so class, today we are going to do some word problems today. As you know, addition means add. From the name, it obviously means add. Now class, what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means minus. Means to take away something from the given value. Something is going from us. Means less होना, किसी चीज़ की कमी. So class, ये तो दो कंसेप्ट थे, आपने ऑलरेडी पढ़ लिए थे और इसके कुछ क्वेश्चंस भी किए थे. तो हम आगे अब इसकी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम करेंगे. Class, before starting our work, let's take an example of these pencil colors. Okay. You can see here these are 15 pencil colors. Let's suppose I gave these all 15 pencil colors to you and you gave 5 pencil colors to one of your friend, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how many pencil colors will be left? अब आपके पास कितने पेंसिल कलर्स बच जाएंगे बच्चों? Tell me, how many pencil colors will be left? Let's count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are 10 pencil colors. Okay, so if we minus 10 for minus 5 from 15, we will have 10 pencil colors. Okay, so class, let's start our work. Class, we are going to do page number 11, question number 4, 5. And these two questions are word problems. So, word problem 4 is, a shopkeeper earned rupees 170,920 in 1 year. If his expenses for the same year were rupees 129,486, how much money did he save? क्लास, एक शॉपकीपर है, एक साल में उसकी इतनी अर्निंग है 170,920. ठीक है, उसने एक साल में इतना अर्न किया और उसी साल उसने 129,486 स्पेंड कर दिया. जैसे मैंने आपको अभी एग्जाम्पल दी थी पेंसिल्स की, इट्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट. तो हाउ मच मनी डिड ही सेव? अब उसके पास कितने पैसे रिमेनिंग बच गए हैं? क्लास, इज इट अ एडिशन प्रॉब्लम और सब्ट्रैक्शन प्रॉब्लम? टेल मी स्टूडेंट्स, एडिशन प्रॉब्लम, सब्ट्रैक्शन प्रॉब्लम? यस, इट्स अ सब्ट्रैक्शन प्रॉब्लम because something has taken away, something has gone. Like we have amount and we spent something from it, so something is going, something has taken away. So class, let's start our work. A shopkeeper Question number 4. A shopkeeper earned is equal to rupees 170,920. Now he spent rupees 129,486. So class, how much money did he save? Money he saved we will do subtraction here. Zero minus 6. Let's start. 0 minus 6. We can't subtract 6 from 0, so we will borrow from 2. Here it is 10 and it is 1. So 10 minus 6, it is 4. 1 minus 8, we cannot subtract 8 from 1. So we will borrow from it. It will become 9, 11 and it will become 8. So 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. Plus we cannot subtract 9 from 0. So we will borrow from 7. Now it is 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 6 minus 2, 4. 1 minus 1, it's 0. So rupees 41,434. So this is the answer. Okay class, our next word problem is find the difference between the largest 4-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. Class, it's obvious from the statement, find the difference. Difference shows addition or subtraction. Difference means subtraction. Okay, so it's also a subtraction word problem. Find the difference between the largest 4 number and the smallest 6-digit number. Class, what is the smallest 6-digit number? You know, smallest 1-digit number, smallest 2-digit number, smallest 3-digit number in class 3. You already studied these concepts, smallest and largest, 1-digit, 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit numbers as well. So class, smallest 6-digit number is as you know, smallest 1-digit number is 1 and as you put zeros, it will become 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, and so on. And as you know, 1-digit largest number is 9. So largest 4-digit number is 9, 9, 9, and 9. So what is the difference? As you know very well, we cannot subtract 9 from 0, as 9 is greater from 0. So 0 will borrow from next. Next has nothing to give anything to 0. So it will also borrow from it. It will also borrow from it. It will also borrow from it. And finally we will borrow from 1. 1 will become 0. And it will become 10. So it's 9, it's 10, it's 9 because we will borrow. हम यहाँ इससे बोरो ले रहे हैं, इस वजह से ये 9 है. So it's again 10, 9 and then 10. 10 minus 9, 9, 9 minus 9, 0. 10 minus 9, sorry, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. And it's finally 9. 9, 0, 0, 0, 1. It's 90,001. So class, this is our answer. And you have to do page number 8. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks by yourself. Look at here. Page number 8. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks on your books by yourself. Page number 9. Part 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. And question 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. You have to do these questions by your own on your books. These 3 parts your book work. और जो मैंने word problems करवाए हैं वो आपने कॉपी पे करना है with proper margin lines and proper margin lines and neat work. Okay. So class, this is your classwork and today's work. And in our next lecture, we will study our next topic, which is multiplication. Okay. So class, this is your maths homework. Question number 3 on copy. ये भी word problem है और ये आपने खुद से attempt करनी है. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me in your group. Okay. And I hope you have understood the concept. And that's all. Okay class. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.